Guys, this is the one of the beautiful places in Oman.
No way. Illa. Chance illa.
राम कृष्ण जगन्नाथ प्रेमानंद ये क्या हुआ
Oh, no, 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 no.
Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Welcome to Mark Vlog. Are we confused where to go on vacation? Usually, almost all of them would have visited all the places in Oman. Here, I'm going to introduce a new location where we can spend half a day.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to Wadi al Mawali Heritage Village.
Initially, we are greeted by the locals with a natural drink, karkade.
Oman is special halwa. Adak mal vesh ada? Muzaffara. Muzaffar halwa.
Muzaffar halwa is made by a saffron, I think so. I'm not sure about that. Let's go.
Oman Heritage Village. Welcome.
The ideal time is to visit this place is at around 3 in winter and the 4 in summer, because we can enjoy both day view and the night view. Friends, it's shocking for me. First time I'm seeing a jackfruit tree in Oman, and many more fruits like custard apple, banana, guava, ramphla, etc. You know the beauty of this place? There is no entry fees, because this is a village where residents reside and leading their daily life. Hi friends, this is a beautiful park that gives you a feel of nature. We went around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Although it was so hot and 45 degrees Celsius, we did not feel the heat because the area is wind rich with farms and trees and all. Here comes the first coffee shop with the sitting arrangements and all. It's really a beautiful area where we can take a snapshots. If you are interested in photography, this is the ideal place to take a photography. Friends, you can see so many small shops by the locals who selling miniature items and toys and small cute items. Friends, here is the central attraction of this place. The entry fee is only 1.5 per head, but worth seeing it. Friends, you will go crazy because they have arranged wide varieties of birds and they have left it open in the zoo. This bird is greeting us by saying hello. Usually in all zoos they are all kept in a cage, but here they made a big cage and we'll be like one of them.
Okay.
We'll go enter into the cage and
See, here is a
we'll be playing around.
place.
Really, it is
It's a crazy
amazing
place.
feeling.
Here we can touch the birds and we can play with the birds also. It's really a wonderful experience. Wonderful arrangements also. See the birds? Wow. They openly kept the birds. beautiful birds.
Friends, once you get into the zoo, you no need to pay for any extra charges for like a bird holding or something. Everything is free only. Birds are so friendly. Some of birds are sitting on your head. Some
Ultra beats on the track.
for horse ride, you have to pay 500 paisa. Precisely, you will get tired of walking. So no need to worry. Locals have arranged a seating arrangement, the coffee, cool drinks, snacks, everything. Of course, it's not for free. You have to pay for it. This is the end of this place. We are heading back to the parking lot. Friends, here is a night view. It's really awesome.
Friends, here comes the night view. A beautiful ambience. Even though if you are tired, you will not feel the tiredness. That much soothing atmosphere. It's really fantastic.
Here is a unique type of ice cream. I never seen, maybe in videos and all I seen. This is the first time seeing it with my eyes. Cute Omani boy accompanied my friend.
Here is a delicious food by the Omanis. A special food, cheese samosa with the Nutella. See how they are preparing the food.
Friends, you know the advantage of visiting this place? I almost burnt 300 calories by walk. If you have knee pain or hip pain or something, please don't explore this. because we have to walk around 3 to 4 kilometers, I believe. So better not to explore. And once again, greetings everyone. I'll wrap up my blog post here and see you all in upcoming videos. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and please share the video.